Alright, so basically this is the 517 horsepower pull. This is the data log, 4th gear on a 1.0 correction factor. This is basically coming into the pull with basically RP from left to right, from F to K you have RPM, knock, timing, octane, coolant temp, and boost, PSI. Some basic data log for everyone to see what's basically going on with that pull. And I'll also show the MAF sensor being basically maxed out with 4.9 volts on a separate data log right after this one. But as you can see, we're starting to pull at 3,800 RPM. And if you take a look over here, you can see the boost starting to build up on the side. This is still bone stock Myvec on the intake and exhaust side as well. So as you see, starting to build up some boost, about 5 pounds of boost right now. We got 20 pounds of boost being made at 5,000 RPM. Keep a note, this is still with stock Myvec as well, like I just said. So this will improve, hopefully at least 500 RPM or so when I get some custom maps in there. You can see we're hitting peak boost on the dyno in 4th gear at about, I'd say 6,000 RPM, which will improve greatly too, hopefully. As you can see, knock, timing very conservative, about 2 degrees. Timing advance at peak torque, peak boost. We're taking this pull all the way up until about 9,000 RPM, 17 degrees of timing. You can see, I have it boxed off right there. So, the car's running strong, basically, 517 horsepower in our dyno with a 1.0 correction, and the car's running very strong. We need a larger MAF housing, which is in the works, and Omni 4-bar map sensor. So, we'll see. Next round should be coming up very soon. Thank you. Alright, basically here's another pull. Different log. This is basically one pull right after I actually lowered the boost about 1 pound, and just took out about 1 degree of ignition timing to keep things a little happier, even though it's conservative as it sits. And I'm still basically tapping out the stock MAF. As you can see, all the way to the right, we have a 5,000 RPM. You could see about 20 pounds of boost. It's already at 4.5 volts. Sweeping through the pull. 6,000 RPM. It's already at 4.9, 4.6 to 4.9 already. And then basically after 7,000 RPM, it's basically at 27 pounds of boost. It's at 4.9 volts now. And then it basically just caps itself out at exactly 8,000 RPM. 26.5 pounds all the way through to 9,000 is where we cut it. Still making 26 pounds of boost, but the cap, it's already pegged. So that's it. Time for a new MAF housing. Thanks, guys.